Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Current Affairs January 2022. For ideal read, set video speed at 1.25x, then watch it. Check out the description for PDF link. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Which has become the most downloaded app in the world in the year 2021? Options are option A Facebook, option B Instagram, option C TikTok, option D none of these. And answer is option B Instagram. Then question number 2. Who has been appointed by AU Small Finance Bank as additional director? Options are option A Anupam Roy, option B Pankaj Soren, option C HR Khan, option D none of these. And answer is option C HR Khan. Question number 3. Which state has achieved the target of applying the first dose of COVID-19 to 100% of the population? Options are option A Odisha, option B Telangana, Maharashtra, none of these. And answer is option B Telangana. Question number 4. Which medal has Nitesh Kumar won in the 4th Para Badminton National Championship held in Bhubaneswar? Options are option A bronze, option B silver, option C gold, option D none of these. And answer is option D none of these. Question 5. Amir Subhani has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of which state? Options are Rajasthan, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, none of these. And answer is option B Bihar. Question number 6. The center has approved rupees 15,381 crore to which state for Jal Jeevan Mission? Options Madhya Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, none of these. And answer is MP, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 7. Who has been awarded Order of Canada recently? Dr. Vaikuntham Layar Lakshmanan, Navjot Singh Dhillani, Dr. Pradeep Marchand. All of above. All are awarded Order of Canada recently. Question number 8. Which Indian bowler has completed 100 wickets on foreign soil? Mohammad Shami, Jasprit Bumrah, Ishant Sharma, none of these. Option is option B Jasprit Bumrah. Question number 9. Who has become the brand ambassador of EG Mindtrip? Vijay Raj, Varun Sharma, both of the above, none of the above. And answer is both of the above. Vijay Raj and Varun Sharma both are the ambassador of EG Mindtrip. Question number 10. Who has been appointed as the new commissioner of Kolkata Police? Sumen Mitra, Vinit Kumar Goyal, Namita Gokhale, none of these. And answer is Vinit Kumar Goyal. Question number 11. Which country has launched a 5-year plan to become a global robotics hub? Options Mexico, Japan, China, none of these. And answer is option C China. Question number 12. Who has become the first Asian team to win a test match in Centurion? Sri Lanka, India, Bangladesh. And answer is option B India. 13. Who has been honored with the World CEO winner of the 2021 award? Sanjay Arora, Samashankara Prasad, Kishore Yadam, none of these. And answer is C Kishore Yadam. Question number 14. Rupa Gurunath has resigned from the post of president of which state cricket association? Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, none of these. And answer is Tamil Nadu. 15. Which country's player Quinton de Kock has announced his retirement from Test cricket? New Zealand, West Indies, South Africa, none of these. And answer is, as you know, South Africa. Question 16. Where has Surai Ecotourism Zone been inaugurated? Options are option A Punjab, option B Uttarakhand, option C Maharashtra, option D none of these. And answer is option B Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand has Surai Ecotourism Zone. Then Question number 17. Which country has won the Under-19 Asia Cup title? Sri Lanka, India, Bangladesh, none of these. And answer is option C, Bangladesh. Then question number 18. Who has been inducted as Executive Director in Bank of Maharashtra? Anupam Roy, H.R. Khan, Ashish Pandey, none of these. And answer is option C, Ashish Pandey. Question number 19. Which state government has increased old age pension from 1200 to 1400? Odisha, Uttarakhand, Maharashtra, none of these. And answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Question number 20. Who has started a 100-day reading campaign Padhe Bharat? Ramnath Kovind, Narendra Modi, Dharmendra Pradhan, none of these. And answer is option C, Dharmendra Pradhan. Question number 21. Which state government has increased dearness allowance by 0.03% recently? Rajasthan, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, none of these. And answer is option B, Odisha. Please keep subscribe our channel, like and share with your friends. Okay, move on to question number 22. The center has approved rupees 9,544 crore to which state for Jal Jeevan Mission? Jharkhand, Manipur, Mizoram, none of these. And answer is Jharkhand. 23. Who has been appointed as the chairman of SEBI Reconstitution Advisory Committee on Market Data? Dr. Vaikuntham Layar Lakshman, Navjit Singh Dhilloni, Dr. Pradeep Mercenary, and MS Sahu. Answer is MS Sahu. Question number 24. Who has celebrated its 64th Foundation Day on 1st January 22? NTPC, DRDO, ITBP, none of these. And answer is DRDO. Question number 25. Which country has announced to make artificial sun by 2026? China, Japan, South Korea, none of these. And answer is C, South Korea. 26. Who has been appointed as the new chairman and CEO of the Railway Board? Sumen Mitra, BK Tripathi, Vinit Kumar Goel, none of these. And answer is BK Tripathi. And question number 27. Which country has announced to rename the Iceland after Queen Elizabeth? Mexico, Italy, Australia, none of these. Answer is Australia. Question number 27. Which country has announced to rename the Iceland after Queen Elizabeth? Options are option A, Mexico, option B, Italy, option C, Australia, option D, none of these. And answer is option C, Australia. Then question number 28. Who has been appointed as the Director General of Forest and Special Secretary to the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Changes? Vijay Raj, CP Goel, Varun Sharma, none of these. And answer is CP Goel. Question number 29. Who has taken over as the 24th Chief of the Indian Coast Guard? Sanjay Arora, Sama Shankara Prasad, V.S. Pathania, none of these. Answer is V.S. Pathania. Question number 30. Who has won the title of Mistress India Galaxy 2021? Harnaz Sadhu, Rajshri Chakrabarti, Nikita Shokla, none of these. And answer is Nikita Shokla has won the title of Mistress India Galaxy 2021. Question number 31. S. Balachandran has been appointed as the High Commissioner of India to which country? New Zealand, West Indies, Abroads, none of these. Answer is option C, Abroads. Then question number 32. Which country has established the first institution to take care of Hindu temples? Options are option A, Iran, option B, Pakistan, option C, Bangladesh, option D, none of these. And answer is option B, Pakistan. Question number 33. When is Global Family Day celebrated? Options are 2nd January, 1st January, 31st December, none of these. And answer is 1st January. Question number 34. America has taken out Mali Guinea and which country for duty-free trade program? Option A Sudan, option B Morocco, option C Ethiopia, option D none of these. And answer is option C Ethiopia. 35. Which state's University of Veterinary and Animal Science has received the National Award for Breed Conservation? Options are option A Odisha, option B Kerala, option C Maharashtra, option D none of these. And answer is option B Kerala. Question number 36. Which country has become the 6th century in the world to report more than 10 million COVID-19 infection? Option A Russia, option B Brazil, option C France, option D none of these. And answer is option C France. Question number 37. In which state has Prime Minister Modi inaugurated the Sabra-Kudu hydroelectric project? Option A Rajasthan, option B Himachal Pradesh, option C Uttar Pradesh, option D none of these. And answer is option B Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh Sabra-Kudu hydroelectric project. Question number 38. Which state High Court has become the country's first paperless court? Kerala, Manipur, Mizoram, none of these. And answer is Kerala. 39. Which Indian company has acquired the UK battery maker Faradion? Option A Exide, Tata Power, JP Power, Reliance New Energy. And answer is Reliance New Energy. Question number 40. Sahitya Academy has selected Daya Prakash Sinha for Sahitya Academy Award 2021 for which language? Urdu, Hindi, English, none of these. And answer is option B Hindi. Question number 41. Which country has launched the Inmarsat 6 F1 communication satellite into the orbit? Options are China, option B Russia, option C Japan, none of these. And answer is option C Japan. Question number 42. Where has the Right to Pee campaign been launched to improve the condition of public toilet? Option A Odisha, option B Nagpur, option C Rajasthan, option D none of these. And answer is option B Nagpur. Question number 43. In which country the first case of Florona infection has been reported? Options are option A Mexico, option B Italy, option C Israel, option D none of these. And answer is option C Israel. Question number 44. Who has been appointed as the secretary in the Ministry of Steel? Options are option A Vijay Raj, option B Sanjay Kumar Singh, option C Varun Sharma, option D none of these. And answer is Sanjay Kumar Singh. Question number 45. Who has been honored with the prestigious KBE honor? Options are Sanjay Arora, Sama Shankar Prasad, Ajay Kumar Kakkar, none of these. And answer is option C Ajay Kumar Kakkar. 46. According to the recently released National Tiger Conservation Authority report, how many tigers have died in 2021 in India? Options are option A 44, 126, 56. And answer is option B 126. Question number 47. Which country has started the world's longest metro line? Options are option A Russia, option B USA, option C China, option D none of these. And answer is option C China. Question number 48. Amir Subhani has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of which state? Options are option A Rajasthan, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, none of these. And answer is option B Bihar. 49. Which country's Prime Minister has announced resignation? Congo, Sudan, Morocco, none of these. And answer is Sudan. Question number 50. Where will the water taxi service started? Options are option A Kochi, Goa, Mumbai, none of these. And answer is Mumbai. Question number 51. Who has taken over as the CEO of Vistara Airlines? Options are option A Pankaj Sharma, Vinod Khanna, BK Tripathi, none of these. And answer is Vinod Kanan. 52. Which country has recently assumed the presidency of the European Union Council for the first time? Option A Russia, option B Brazil, option C France, option D none of these. Answer is France. Then 53. Which state has become the country's first LPG free smoke free state? Option A Rajasthan, option B Himachal Pradesh, option C Uttar Pradesh, and answer is option B Himachal Pradesh. Question number 54. Who was Richard Leakey, who passed away recently? Richard Leakey, scientist, writer, singer, none of these. Answer is scientist, Richard Leakey. 55. Which country's cricketer Mohammad Hafiz has retired from international cricket? Options are option A Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Pakistan, none of these. And answer is Pakistan. Where has the Kalpana Chawla Space Science Research Center been inaugurated? Mumbai, Chandigarh, New Delhi, none of these. Answer is Chandigarh. 57. Which Indian female player has been declared the best player of the year? Mithali Raj, Dipti Sharma, Smriti Mandhana, none of these. And answer is Smriti Mandhana. Question number 58. Which state government has launched a digital life certificate system for pensioner? Option Maharashtra, Odisha, Rajasthan, none of these. And answer is Odisha. 59. Which country has launched the Better Health Smoke Free campaign? Option Mexico, Italy, UK, none of these. And answer is UK. Question number 60. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Jammu and Kashmir Bank? Vijay Raj, Baldev Prakash, Varun Sharma, none of these. And answer is Baldev Prakash. 61. Who has been honored with the Bihar Vibhuti Samman? Options: option A Sanjay Arora, Ajay Kumar Kakkar, Rohit Kumar, none of these. Answer is Rohit Kumar. 62. Which payment bank has got RBI approval for international business? Airtel Payment Bank, Fino Payments Bank, India Post Payment Bank, none of these. And answer is Fino Payment Banks. 63. Which state has topped the GST collection in 2021? Kerala, Karnataka, Odisha, none of these. And answer is Odisha. 64. Who has taken over as the 24th Chief of the Indian Coast Guard? Sanjay Arora, Soma Shankar Prasad, V.S. Pathania, none of these. And answer is V.S. Pathania. 65. When is World Braille Day celebrated? 2nd January, 4th January, 3rd January, none of these. And answer is 4th January. 66. Who has become the first US company to reach 3 trillion market value? Options are option A Microsoft, option B Google, option C Apple, D none of these. And answer is option C Apple. Who has taken over as the secretary in the Ministry of Jal Shakti? Pankaj Sharma, Bini Mahajan, Vinod Kanan, none of these. And answer is Bini Mahajan. 68. Which country has discovered a new variant of COVID-19 IHU? Russia, Brazil, France, none of these. Answer is France. 69. Which Vice Admiral of the Navy involved in 1917 war has passed away at the age of 100? Ranjit Singh, S.H. Sharma, Baldev Prakash, none of these. And answer is S.H. Sharma. Question number 70. Who was Vijay Gilani, who passed away recently? Film producer, writer, singer, none of these. And answer is film producer. 71. Who has taken over the chairmanship of G7 to host the summit in this year? Options A Canada, Japan, Germany, none of these. And answer is Germany. 72. Who has been appointed as the first woman CMD of ONGC? Ankita Shukla, Alka Mittal, Nishi Vasudeva, none of these. And answer is Alka Mittal. Then question number 73. India has invited how many countries to participate in the multinational naval exercise Milan? Options are option A 39, option B 54, option C 46, D none of these. And answer is 46 countries. 74. Which has become the first union territory with district level good governance index? Options are Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Delhi, none of these. And answer is Jammu and Kashmir. 75. Which country has test fired 10 new hypersonic Zircon missile? Option A Mexico, option B Italy, option C Russia, option D none of these. And answer is option C Russia. 76. Who has taken over as the Director General of the National Mission for Clean Ganga? Vijay Raj, G. Ashok Kumar, Baldev Prakash, none of these. And answer is G. Ashok Kumar. 77. Who has become the first Indian origin person to work the Tesla? Sanjay Arora, Ajay Kumar Kakkar, Ashok Iluswamy, none of these. And answer is Ashok Iluswamy. 78. Who has inaugurated the Yoga Academy in Hyderabad? Narendra Modi, Sarvanand Sonowal, M. Venkaiah Naidu, none of these. And answer is Sarvanand Sonowal. 79. Which state has topped in most ODF village? Kerala, Karnataka, Telangana, none of these. And answer is Telangana. Then question number 8. Which country has started the world's longest metro line? Russia, USA, China, none of these. And answer is China. 81. When is National Bird Day celebrated? 3rd January, 5th January, 4th January, none of these. And answer is 5th January. National Bird Day, 5th January. Where has the traditional New Year Losar festival been celebrated? Assam, Manipur, Ladakh, none of these. And answer is Ladakh. Who has won the Ramanatha Goenka Award in photojournalism? Pankaj Sharma, Jishan A. Latif, Vinod Kanan, none of these. And answer is Jishan A. Latif. 84. Padma Shri Award awardee Sidhutai Sapkal has passed away. Who was she? Writer, singer, social worker, none of these. And answer is social worker. Question number 85. Who has become the chairman of the UN Anti-Terrorism Committee? Ranjit Singh, T.S. Tirumurti, Baldev Prakash, none of these. Answer is T.S. Tirumurti. 86. Who has become the first woman of Indian origin to travel solo to the South Pole? Harpreet Chandi, Nisi Vasudeva, Alka Maheshwari, none of these. And answer is Harpreet Chandi. 87. The first indigenous kit for testing Omicron variant was approved. What is its name? Omiplus, Omicheck, Omisure, none of these. Answer is Omisure. 88. Who has become the first woman to lead a nuclear carrier in the US Navy? Emma Raducanu, Amy Bowring-Smith, Nisi Vasudeva, none of these. And answer is option B, Amy Bowring-Smith. 89. Which payment bank has got the status of the scheduled bank? Payment Bank, Paytm Payments Bank, Fino Payments Bank, Airtel Payments Bank, none of these. And answer is Airtel Payment Bank. 90. Ganjam district of which state has now been declared child marriage free? Bihar, Odisha, Jharkhand, none of these. Answer is Odisha. 91. Where has Prime Minister Modi inaugurated the new terminal of Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport? Punjab, Nagaland, Tripura, none of these. And answer is Tripura. 92. Who has become the head of America-India Business Council? Vijay Raj, Atul Kashyap, Baldev Prakash, none of these. And answer is Atul Kashyap. 93. Who has been appointed as the new executive director of RBI? Deepak Kumar, Ajay Kumar Chaudhary, both of the above, none of above. And answer is both of the above. 94. The head of the Starlink India resigned. What is his name? S. Balachandran, Sanjay Bhargav, Vineet Goyal, none of these. And answer is Sanjay Bhargav. 95. Which bank has released the offline digital payments framework? BOB, Bank of India, PNB, Punjab National Bank, RBI, Reserve Bank of India, none of these. And answer is C. RBI, Reserve Bank of India. 96. Which state has become the country's first LPG free, smoke free state? Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, none of these. And answer is Himachal Pradesh. 97. When is World War Orphan Day celebrated? 4th January, 6th January, 5th January, none of these. And answer is 6th January, Orphan Day, World Orphan Day, 6th January. 98. Who has been selected to host the National Youth Festival? Assam, Ladakh, Puducherry, none of these. And answer is Puducherry. 99. Which country has created a world record by extracting 0.7 million degrees Celsius energy from artificial sun for 17 minutes? Russia, China, Japan, none of these. And answer is China. 100. Recently, Padma Shri awardee Nell Nonkairi has passed away. Who was he? Writer, singer, musician, none of these. And answer is musician. 101. Who has launched the World Economy Outlook 2020? NDB, IMF, World Bank, none of these. And answer is IMF, International Monetary Fund. How many apps have been banned by the Indian Army to protect the information of its employees from being leaked? 89, 67, 72, none of these. 89. And answer is 89. 103. Who has acquired Israel cyber security startup Simplify for $500 million? Apple, Facebook, Google, none of these. And answer is Google. 104. Which state government has approved one-time internet allowance for students? Assam, Punjab, Rajasthan, none of these. And answer is option B, Punjab. 105. Which country's three-time Olympic gold winner, triple jump champion Victor Senev has passed away recently? France, England, Australia, none of these. Australia. Which state government has signed MOU with GAIL for clean energy project? Bihar, Odisha, Jharkhand, none of these. And option is option B, Odisha. Okay. 107. Who has been honored with Mother Teresa Memorial Award 2021? France, Germany, Denmark, none of these. And answer is option C, Denmark. 108. Who has achieved the first Guinness World Record in numerology? Who has achieved the first Guinness World Record in numerology? Atul Kashyap, Jesse Chaudhary, Baldev Prakash, none of these. Answer is B, Jesse Chaudhary. 109. Who has become the 102nd century to join ISA? Jamaica, Bahamas, Antigua and Barbados, none of these. And answer is Antigua and Barbados. 110. In which state a 2-day international education conference has been inaugurated? Bihar, Jharkhand, Gujarat, none of these. And answer is Gujarat. 111. Where has ICSI organized a 3-day national conference recently? Kochi, Pune, Bengaluru, none of these. And answer is Bengaluru. 112. Which state has topped in most ODF village? Kerala, Karnataka, Telangana, none of these. And answer is option C, Telangana. Please subscribe our channel, like and share with your friends. Okay, move on to question number 113. When is the 75th Foundation Day of Bureau of Indian Standards celebrated? Options are option A 4th January, 6th January, 5th January, none of these. And answer is 6th January. 114. Where has India's first open rock museum being inaugurated? Options are option A Bhopal, option B Jaipur, option C Hyderabad, option D none of above. And answer is Hyderabad. Question number 115. Which country has fined Google and Facebook 210 million euros for user tracking? Options: Russia, France, Japan, none of above. Answer is France. Question number 116. Which country has successfully fired a hypersonic missile? Russia, Japan, North Korea, none of these. And answer is North Korea. 117. Which has become the only airport in India to be included in the top 10 global listed? Mumbai Airport, Chennai Airport, Kolkata Airport, none of these. And answer is Chennai Airport. 118. Who has written the book Mamata Beyond 2021? Jayanta Ghoshal, Vinod Kanan, Jason A. Latif, none of above. And the answer is Jayanta Ghoshal. 119. Where has the 2-day South Asian Consultative meeting started? Option A Colombia, Kathmandu, New Delhi, none of these. And the answer is option C New Delhi. Question number 120. Who has launched the country's first crypto index IC15 to track cryptocurrency in India? CryptoCare, CryptoWare, CryptoDex, none of these. And answer is CryptoWare. Question number 121. India and which country has signed an agreement for the development of Trincomalee oil tank farm? Trincomalee oil tank farm. France, England, Sri Lanka, none of these. And answer is option C Sri Lanka. Question number 122. Which Indian American diplomat has been appointed as the president of USIBC? Pankaj Sharma, Atul Kashyap, T.S. Trimurti, none of these. And answer is Atul Kashyap. Question number 123. Which country's diplomat Jiang Ming has taken over as the Secretary General of SCO? South Korea, Mongolia, China, none of these. And answer is China. 124. Who has been reappointed by the central government as the president of CACP? Atul Kashyap, Vijay Pal Sharma, Baldev Prakash, none of these. And answer is Vijay Pal Sharma. Question number 125. Who has taken over as the 20th IG of Assam Rifles North? Answer is Vijay Bahadur Singh, VPS Kaushik, Vikas Lakhera, none of these. And answer is option C Vikas Lakhera. Question number 126. The Chief Minister of which state has launched Student Startup and Innovation Policy 2.0? Option A Bihar, option B Gujarat, option C Jharkhand, option D none of these. And answer is option B Gujarat. Question number 127. Who has been made its brand ambassador by Bank of Baroda? Options are Smriti Mandhana, option B Mitali Raj, option C Saif Ali Verma, option D none of these. And answer is Saif Ali Verma. And move on to question number 128. Ganjam district of which state has now become declared child marriage free? Options are option A Bihar, option B Odisha, option C Jharkhand, option D none of these. And answer is option B Odisha. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Keep subscribe our channel, like and share. If you are watching at Facebook, then like our page. Thank you guys. Best of luck.